everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to find blue food in Shibuya. Let's go! Yay! Oh, we found it over here. So here, KIPPOSHI, we're gonna eat blue ramen. So we have this menu here, and we got very colorful ramen. This one is blue ramen that we ordered just then. This one is green ramen. It says white grain paste. I have no idea what it is. And this one, very cute color, good for doll. This is like a orangish pink soup, which is ginger, like a red ginger, pink ginger maybe. And we got very yellow color as well, with a little shell, salt and butter. Looks yummy. And this one is like a simple but still very brown colored Chinese noodle. Everything looks yummy, but I'm super excited to get this one.
ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。いただきます。I'm so excited. It's so blue. For me, it looks like aquarium. Let's try the blobs first. Wow, I have never eaten this color of blobs. It's so beautiful and clear. It looks like a decoration. いただきます。It's quite different than I imagined. It's actually like very nice salty, and I can feel that chicken blobs. Very good chicken. 美味しい美味しい。Wow, it's quite mellow, light taste. It's not like a very how do you say? It's like a not short or any like a greasy kind of taste. It's more like light, salty chicken flavor. It's so yummy. So you've got this green onion, and it's a chashu, and it even has blue here. Oh my god! And let me try this noodle. Oh my god, everyone! It's so blue. It changes the color. It's originally like a yellow, I think, but so blue. いただきます。食べれるかな。いただきます。I like this texture. It's actually kind of harder type of noodle. I prefer this type of hard type. Easy to go with this chicken broth. Really, who have tried this blue colored chicken? I think it's originally very nice pink color. Oh my god. Well, let's try. Normally we have pork chashu, but this one is chicken. Yummy. I love this tender chicken. I think they use chicken breast, so very healthy. So let me try my most favorite part of eating ramen, which is this. It looks so blue egg. Oh my gosh! It's perfectly runny. Yolk is coming out. Super yummy. Must be that he's very happy about it. いただきます。 think. Very, very yummy. Honestly, I love this runny type of yolk. It's very different to make this one. Maybe 8 minutes or 90 minutes of boiling. So good. Yeah, talking about the color of this glove, it's secret. The owner doesn't mention what they use for the ingredients, but the only thing we know is it's like a natural things they use, so it's not like an artificial. Yes. Miyashita Park has a lot of things. So on the ground floor, lots of izakayas from 47 prefectures. You can choose from any prefecture you want. And upper floors, nice clothing stores, cafes, and food court. And the cafe we are going to is on the second floor. So we came here. Miyashita Cafe+Soft cream. Let's get the soda. So it's almost melting, but I would like to show you guys this. This is blue Hawaii soda. Itadakimasu. It reminds me of festival, like summer festival. We have like this huge shaved ice, and we put this blue Hawaii flavor. It reminds me of the taste. Yes. How about the soft cream? It's a very nice ice cream. Very, very yummy. This is the most melting soft cream. Maybe it's because it's obviously melting, but melting very nicely in my mouth. Very yummy. It's very refreshing, and now the soft cream ice cream is melting to the blue soda. Makes it more yummy. So refreshing and yummy. And they have this color, blue Hawaii and melon and something pink, I think. And this cafe featured very nice ice cream. I think it's very unique, different type of ice cream from other cafes. And also they have good coffee and some nice cake. So it's very good. You buy it from the second floor and come to this Miyashita Park top floor. It's worth coming here and take a break from the busy Shibuya. So that's all about it. A lot of blue food we had. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye bye. Mata ne.